Embarira y'omwaka gw'ebyesente 2026 hinguzibwe aha wa Town Council nengana miliyoni 240.
2026-2027 financial year, total budget of UGX 240,945,109 expected to be raised from local revenue, DBEG, conditional grant, and conditional grant done with internal audit grant and road fund.
Omukanseegi mukuru w'empanura Anthony Nshoborokirwe yabashomere ekihandiiko okuruga aha district kirikworeka ngu hariho saako emwe eyapangiisa itaka rya Town Council okumara emyaka 5 barikushashura miliyoni 2 n'ekicweka aha district ekimazirisho ky'aha mutwe.
Egi neba bahandikira buyandasa ahansi they have put chairperson LC5 in the district, mayor yanda Town Council, Tangulaka yanda Town Council. This is a letter ibahandikira buyandasa abaha abakoti just informing them. So think manya how it came kugira ngo ije mutabahereza tukateka kitagano kubahereza bareta.
Brenda Taibwa kansara y'Emyeto agize ngo bakacishanga mu kakiiko ko kutebekanisiza kanso bacanga kandi tubacenda kwata aha mataka ga gavumenti
kandi tabaga tukazani wo marto pas twafane ikintu waduka mutine cyo kumanya azakanje bacunungi uwo bakushaba recommendation itoka tugambara kabakansarazi bawe ukareba ntugamba ki abo kwat first bakarete ba itutwaye kabakansarazi mwena ati neze shaka tumuntu twetege ngwara ako chifito tukuchumanya iwono chumanya kunani mwena ati nyona nyangu itwe nkakansarazi itwe tuzabu material shonga yitu itositire banki takakane chikujera chikuchumanya
bakansara batara bamwe na bamwe bagize ngo tubarukwanga banka konka tubarukwenda kubuzabuzwa nibendangwe mirimo yona egume erabe mu kanso
yekinta kwenda umwana mu kanso chikumeza muzike mwashije byane ati kukwata munati eiba mwakoze roko nyuma mukakwatarana ati nonosha mwitwe tukwenda banka tujere kunkana kwa tumanyi bijibo tushaka
taburukaraka icyo rukumanya kandi naje mango utinire buso warukomendinga ikintu kugira ngo warekomendinga ngo mwanya kuruhu kiba kimasha kuwaheza aha bo recommendation yawe niba niyo mahitsa umwanya guho tubwiye cyo koreraho mbwirwa gutwara.
Bakansara ba Town Council bagize ngo ekitiiso bagashanga district konka bacakanisa baba district bachikora kifuba
mugareheze ngakishanga umukanso yitubakireze ninye mundu wabakorezo mukono kabajya kuyanja Town Council imunganizi mwaza kwerezo manje itoba tutahaho tinye kuhinza nanga manirifu ngo kumanya umanya bito kubaza kugenda banja ngo amatakaraga district
itizo niko evaluate the recommended babahereze ki umwana
okay twachimwe
ati mugani mwera tugire mwana recommended that we discuss in the class.
Anthony Nshoborokirwe uruspeaker wa Byanja Town Council azinga umurimo gwona ogutarabire mu kanso ya Town Council ekaguhereza minati tuguru kwikirizibwa.
The recommendation that the Town Clerk made about giving the Sako land was out of the knowledge of the council. We don't need much. We are recommending ngwali akubara abahereze babahereze, that's yes, the that's but the council is not aware of that and we don't have any minute to the district council.
Amakuru agashakwa Robert Mugabe awatayari West mu rukunjira.